So the PowerCat growth is, I think, really happening. That's one of the main focuses for myself as an entrepreneur, is helping introduce PowerCats to more people. In this place, I think the consumer in the US market is really learning that a PowerCat can give you a lot more features for the same amount of money than a monohull could. And those features are what the consumer really wants in today's market. PowerCats have been very, very common in the kind of the Asia, Australian market. And most boats over there are cats. In this case over here, we've always had sail cats, but the PowerCat industry has really just kind of launched in the last 10 years in the US market, but strong consumer demand for it.